Some homes are designed to follow trends. Others are created to outlive them. This Parisian apartment belongs to the latter. Rooted in timeless French architecture and elevated by understated Christmas elegance, every space reflects restraint, balance, and enduring beauty. This is not a seasonal makeover, but a lesson in classic design, where tradition, warmth, and refinement coexist effortlessly. Step inside a home that feels as relevant today as it will decades from now. The first impression is unmistakably Parisian. A classic Haussmann facade, dressed in soft limestone tones, establishes architectural authority without excess. Wrought iron balconies frame tall windows, subtly adorned with natural pine garlands and warm ambient lighting. The entrance feels ceremonial yet restrained, reflecting a home that values proportion over spectacle. Even before stepping inside, the design communicates permanence, heritage, and quiet confidence, an exterior that does not announce itself loudly, but is impossible to overlook. Inside, the living room unfolds as the heart of the home. Soaring ceilings, intricate wall moldings, and herringbone wood floors create a classical framework, while neutral furnishings soften the grandeur. The fireplace anchors the space, adorned with greenery and candlelight that feels organic rather than decorative. Light filters through tall windows, balancing warmth and clarity. This is a room designed for living, not display, where French tradition meets modern restraint in perfect equilibrium. The master bedroom is defined by calm sophistication. Soft linen textures, muted tones, and architectural detailing create a space that feels deeply restorative. Christmas accents appear subtly, greenery along the windows, candlelight at the bedside, enhancing the atmosphere without overwhelming it. The design prioritizes comfort, proportion, and serenity, allowing the room to function as a retreat rather than a statement. Here, luxury is measured by how effortlessly the space allows you to slow down. The kitchen balances function with classical refinement. Shaker-style cabinetry, marble surfaces, and vintage brass fixtures reference tradition, while clean lines maintain relevance. Open shelving introduces warmth and authenticity, complemented by natural Christmas greenery placed with intention. Lighting plays a critical role, blending daylight with soft interior warmth. This is a kitchen designed not only to be admired, but to be used, where everyday rituals feel elevated by thoughtful design. The mezzanine adds architectural depth and intimacy to the home. Overlooking the living space, it feels connected yet distinct. Iron railings, warm wood floors, and a curated reading corner create a quiet pause within the home's flow. Subtle holiday greenery enhances the sense of warmth without disrupting its purpose. This space proves that transitional areas deserve as much attention as primary rooms. The bathroom embraces classical luxury through materiality rather than ornament. Marble surfaces, a freestanding tub, and antique brass fittings establish a timeless foundation. Holiday touches remain minimal, eucalyptus branches and candlelight, allowing the design to breathe. The atmosphere is serene, refined, and spa-like, reinforcing the idea that elegance is often achieved through restraint. This is a space designed to restore both body and mind. The front yard acts as a transitional buffer between city life and private retreat. Stone paving, iron fencing, and evergreen accents create structure, while soft lighting adds warmth. Christmas decor is understated, enhancing rather than redefining the space. It feels welcoming without excess, reinforcing the home's philosophy of balance and proportion. Even outdoors, the design remains intentional and timeless. The rooftop reveals the poetic side of Parisian living. Surrounded by classic rooftops and chimneys, the terrace is styled with restraint, vintage furniture, neutral textiles, and candlelit greenery. The contrast between the cool winter sky and warm lighting creates an intimate atmosphere above the city. It is less about decoration and more about experience, a space designed to be felt rather than photographed. The working room reflects quiet focus and intellectual elegance. Dark wood furnishings, curated shelving, and classic detailing establish authority without heaviness. Christmas elements are subtle, reinforcing warmth while preserving clarity. Natural light supports productivity, while layered lighting enhances atmosphere. This space demonstrates how a home office can remain inspiring without sacrificing professionalism or timeless design integrity. The backyard offers intimacy and enclosure. Stone walls, climbing greenery, and warm lighting create a private outdoor retreat. Holiday elements remain natural and minimal, blending seamlessly into the landscape. This space feels less designed and more discovered, a quiet extension of the home's philosophy. It reinforces the idea that timeless design is about harmony with its surroundings. This Parisian apartment is a study in restraint, proportion, and permanence. Rather than chasing trends, it embraces architectural integrity and natural elegance. The Christmas styling enhances, never dominates, proving that timeless design transcends seasons. This is a home designed not for today alone, but for a lifetime, where beauty endures because it was never temporary.